In this video, I'll show you how to watch Apple TV on Windows laptop. At the end, I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store. On your Windows laptop, click the Start menu and search Microsoft Store. Open the store to begin installing apps. Step 2. Search for Apple TV. In the Microsoft Store, enter Apple TV in the search bar. Select the official Apple TV app from the search results. Step 3. Download and install. Click Get or Install on the Apple TV app page. Wait for the app to download and install on your laptop. Step 4. Open Apple TV app. Open the installed Apple TV app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Sign in with your Apple ID to access subscriptions and purchases. Step 5. Start watching. Browse Apple TV Plus movies. Purchase content or premium channels within the app, and you can click any show or movie to begin streaming directly on your Windows laptop. Now I have some troubleshooting and alternatives for you. If you cannot install the app, this is on older Windows or incompatible devices, then visit tv.apple.com in any web browser to stream Apple TV Plus content online. Make sure Windows and Microsoft Store are fully up to date for smoother experience. And that is how you watch Apple TV on your Windows laptop. Now here's a nice picture of my dog. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Now subscribe.